Ayubowan. Good evening, everybody. And in our traditional Malay, we would like to say Selamat Datang. That's the traditional way of Malay's greeting. And welcome to our humble but beautiful home called the Padang. Padang is referred to as the sports ground in Malay. And we are so proud to be here because today is the press briefing of the launch of the 150-year anniversary of the Colombo Malay Cricket Club and also 100 years of the Sri Lanka Malay Association. We have so many prominent members here who will basically describe in detail what we are all about. Okay, and of course question and answers we can ask in any language which you prefer to do so, and we are ready for that as well. And we are also proud to say that we are the oldest Ceylonese club in this country. Of course, there have been British and so many other clubs before, like the CHNFC and so on and so forth. But as a Ceylonese club, we are the oldest club in then Ceylon, and now we are continuing to Sri Lanka as well. At that time, during Ceylon, there were our cricket team was supposed to be one of the best clubs in the country. And sometimes as far as 5 people played for the then national team. So we are proud that we have, if you go down, when we have our refreshments, you will see quite a few prominent Malay cricketers who played for this club. So 150 years is a very, very long time. That is the Colombo Malay Cricket Club. Then after 50 years, we realized that our talents are not only in cricket. Of course, cricket, then it went to netball, then Sepak Takraw, which they will all, like this gentleman will explain to you. And we formed the Sri Lanka Malay Association. Reason being that we felt we could offer more to the community and to the country. And like in terms of culture, we have our traditional dancers. We have these beautiful Malay ladies who sometimes perform and their children perform as well. So we have a lot of culture which we could, it's after all, this country is full of communities and we thought we will showcase. Then of course you all know about Malay food sometimes, the pittu, the babat and so on and so forth. So we have all that. So we thought we will form the Sri Lanka Malay Association as well and concentrate apart from sports in this. So we are 100 years old. The Sri Lanka Malay Association is 100 years old as of today. Also, the famous game which was originated in Malaysia and Thailand called Sepak Takraw. It is basically, you don't use your hand, it's like volleyball, but you don't use your hand with legs and other movements. The game is conducted. It was originally, when it was introduced to Sri Lanka, it was played in this ground. Okay. So I will not speak as much. We have many prominent people to speak. Firstly, I will introduce them. We have Roshan Alam, who is the General Secretary of the Colombo Malay Cricket Club. Then we have Mr. Rizwan Baludi, who is the President of the Colombo Malay Cricket Club. We have Rehman Langwa, who is the President of the Sri Lanka Malay Association. We have Rinaldin Rahman, who is the club captain of the Colombo Malay Cricket Club. And we have Ridwan Karim, General Secretary of the Sri Lanka Malay Association. So without further ado, I'm going to call, who's going to speak for the Sri Lanka Malay Association? Mr. Ridwan Langwa is going to speak to you, bring to you about the Sri Lanka Malay Association.
Dear members of the media, wish you all a happy new year. Thank you very much for being here this evening to be a part of the formal announcement of a significant occasion of the Sri Lanka Malay Association and the Colombo Malay Cricket Club. The Sri Lanka Malay Association, the oldest Malay institution in the country, commemorates its centenary anniversary on the 22nd of January 2022. As you will agree, these are rare occasions for such institutions. The SLMA was established in the year 1922 on the 22nd of January, when prominent seniors of the community felt it was time that focus towards the upliftment of the community was imperative with changing times and progression. And so in 1922, with a gathering of Malays assembled at the Vivekananda Hall in Slave Island from all parts of the country with the sole purpose of forming a body to address the welfare of their community, the SLMA was born. Then was known as the All Ceylon Malay Association. The occasion coincided with the 50th Jubilee anniversary of the Colombo Malay Cricket Club in 1922, with the veterans of the CMCC initiating and influencing the formation of the SLMA, with the original home of the SLMA established at the Rifle Green Pavilion of the CMCC back then. Today, this relationship continues, and that is the reason of this joint announcement. Since then, we have served the community and have extended our goodwill to all communities gelling in harmony. To mark this milestone, we have made elaborate plans to celebrate with special events throughout the year to make the event memorable and significant. The journey of 100 years was not an easy one. The institution had to face the threats of a world war, the ripples of an independence, and the strife of a long-drawn 30-year internal conflict. However, thanks to the resilience of the institution, it has progressed in meeting and realizing its objectives. The commemoration will unfold with the inauguration of centenary commemoration on Saturday the 22nd, graced by the Minister of Mass Media, Honorable Dallas Alavaperuma, where the key highlight would be the launching of a first day cover and stamp to mark the occasion and a showcase of our culture. Attached in your dockets is a list of events that has been scheduled throughout the year. Such a full day SLMS symposium that would highlight the presentation of academic papers on the contribution of the Malays to Sri Lanka and how they have imbibed well with all communities, to be held in September. An event highlighting the Malay culture throughout its costumes, cuisines, cultural performance, all encapsulated on a concept called the Pasak Malam, a Malay night hawker street here at the Padang grounds. Funds raised through this event will go towards charitable purpose, to be held in July. The Malay Rally, a full day event of sports, cultural activities, fostering brotherhood amongst the community, to be held in October. The mark of the Heroes Day in the month of November, remembering our Malay brothers lost in action in safeguarding the sovereignty and territorial integrity of the nation. The SLMA, since its inauguration, has served well, carrying out social services, enhancing the lives of the less fortunate, supporting relief to the sick, assisting in times of natural disasters, providing educational support for less privileged children, assisting in environmental projects, raising the entrepreneurial skills of women from low-income households, awarding of scholarships to deserving children, building of water wells in dry zone villages, and the list goes on. While the institution continues to support the community in practicing and creating awareness of its culture and identity, our past presidents have served in the legislature from the 1920s until the 1960s, contributing towards the legislation of this nation. Prominently placed is Dr. T.B. Chaya, recognized as a national hero in the fight for our independence, while law luminary Justice M.K. Appa was appointed to the Supreme Court way back in 1929. The docket gives you a brief of the centenary, a snapshot of our institution, a description about the Sri Lankan Malay, and the centenary commemoration schedule. So well, I hope I have been able to convey the importance of this occasion. Please feel free to ask any questions. An e-docket will be emailed to you. Kindly see that you have given your e-addresses. Thank you very much, and we sincerely hope to see you all in our commemorative functions.
Mr. Rizwan Baduni, the president of the Colombo Malay Cricket Club, to give his address.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I wish all present here today at this press briefing a happy and a prosperous New Year 2022. The year 2022 is so special to us. As our club, the Colombo Malay Cricket Club, the oldest Sri Lankan cricket club founded in 1872, commemorates its 150th year. It's a unique occasion indeed. This was the period when the game of cricket took a new turn. Originally introduced to the country by the English military in 1832. The game was played mainly among the British regimental sides. And it so happened, Ceylon Rifle Regiment back then was made of Malay soldiers. Therefore, it was like ducks taking to water, cricket evolved among the Malays. You could say that CMC was cradle of cricket in Sri Lanka. The formation of the club is an interesting story. The monarchy had decided to dismantle Ceylon Rifle Regiment in 1871, and this was expensive unit to maintain. Basically, peace prevailed in the country. So from 1871 to 1873, the dismantling began and was completed in 1873. It was during the environment that colonial military presented the parade ground of Malay Regiment on Rifle Green to CMCC. This was after a historic match between Malay regimental side and a regimental side of military. This was birth of Colombo Malay Cricket Club 150 years ago. Then the governor of Ceylon, Sir William Gregory, in his autobiography, referred disbandment of Sri Lanka regiment says, "I regret to lose a band of excellent cricketers." The first 50 years of CMC was very eventful, with many other clubs forming this. This was the turning point of cricket in Sri Lanka. The club boosted up best bowling team then and emerged club champions in 1920. To mark this momentous occasion, the CMC has organized a series of sport activities throughout the year. Our anniversary celebration will kick off with the inauguration of 150th year anniversary commemoration with launch of the first day cover to mark the commemoration on 19th March 2022. The unveiling of the tribute frame of CMC cricket icon, the late Mr. A.C. Ahmed, and the CMC cricket chronology frame capturing his cricketing history from 1872 to today. This will be followed by a cricket encounter between CMCC and Sri Lanka Cricket Board level. The highlight of the annual celebration will be commemorate cricket charity dinner on 26 March 2022, where the keynote speaker will be Sri Lanka cricket legend and former MCC chairman Kumar Sangakkara. We also have lined up several sport tournaments throughout the year, such as Invitation 6-side cricket, hockey, netball carnival, sepak takraw, and badminton open invitations. Once again, I take this opportunity to thank you for attending the press briefing. Enjoy your evening and have a safe drive back home. Our club captain will provide you more details of the events which are going to take place this year. Thank you very much.
Nadeem Rahman, the club captain of the Colombo Malay Cricket Club, to highlight the events what we are going to have this year.
Thank you, Hussein. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Subha Sandhya. First of all, let me wish each and every one of you a happy and prosperous and a peaceful new year. On behalf of the Colombo Malay Cricket Club, let me present you a brief outline of the sporting activities planned out for this year, the year 2022. We begin in the month of March, where we are going to host a commemorative charity dinner, where the keynote speaker who has confirmed to us at the moment is Mr. Kumar Sangakkara, as mentioned by my President Rizwan. The idea of this is to have it as a charity dinner, and the proceeds of this event would be to raise funds to purchase cricket equipment for junior and senior cricket teams of 2 rural colleges in the country. We, being the oldest cricket club in Sri Lanka, want to give back something to the cricket community. So this is why this project was thought about, and we thought it fit, it begin in this auspicious way. Next we come to the month of May, where we hope to have a six-a-side invitation cricket tournament. And this will be a fellowship basically amongst all cricket playing clubs, basically the premier clubs such as SSC, NCC, Bloomfield, CCC, and even in the past they have taken part in this tournament in the Padang, and we have seen past test playing players, test captains coming and representing their own clubs. So we believe it would be an event of that nature too. In the month of June, a badminton tournament would be held, and this is going to be organized at the Subaldasa Indoor Stadium, and it's going to be an open event for men and women to participate in different age categories and different events, and there will be attractive prizes on offer for the individual and group events. We come to the month of July, where the club would be conducting a walk, and we leave the premises of the Padang, and the walk is as usual as any walk would be conducted in a carnival type of atmosphere with some popular music, decorated vehicles, fun-loving characters, which will form the procession. Once we come back to the grounds in the evening, a tag rugby tournament would be conducted. So that will conclude the event on that particular day. So we conclude it with tag rugby being another sporting event. In the month of July, we will be conducting a netball carnival, where this is a unique competition where all matches are controlled by one match referee. In fact, we have conducted this around 3 years ago, and it was uniquely conducted. So we believe with everything settling down, this could be held in the month of July too. Moving on to the month of August, we are going to conduct an open Sepak Takraw tournament, and as you Sepak Takraw is a Malaysian Thailand sport played with a lot of gymnastic skills, and we are proud that the club was a pioneer to introduce this in Sri Lanka. In fact, this sport has grown so much so that even the services conduct this sport as a part of their fitness programs. Coming on to the month of September, and hockey carnival would be conducted here, and it's going to be a seven-side invitation tournament where it's going to feature school teams and 8 prominent clubs. As you know, next to cricket, the Colombo Media Cricket Club has a very rich history in the sporting era of hockey, and we are proud to be the oldest affiliated club to the Colombo Hockey Association. Leaving aside all the sporting activities, there are 2 more special projects which will be conducted by the Colombo Media Cricket Club, and as a club captain, it's my duty to mention them. We are going to launch a very special coffee table book, where this will be launched in the month of August, where this book is going to depict the lifestyle of the community. And this will not only talk about the community at large, but it will feature prominent members who have contributed and excelled in various fields such as in sport, culture, art, academic and educational pursuits. So it would feature members of the community who have contributed in the past and who are at present too. Then we come over to the month of October, where a gathering of all the Malay associations would partake in an event, which we call it something like a rally, where all associations would be over here, and it would be a full day's activity of cultural activities, sports items, and back again we'll have mini netball tournaments, Sepak Takraw, tag rugby events being conducted. So that is basically a brief lineup of the sports activities on behalf of the Colombo Media Cricket Club. I thank you all. Thank you very much.
We will be glad to answer any of the questions which you have in any medium of language, and we have the eminent speakers at the head table. You're most welcome to do so. We have microphones which we will send around, and we would encourage you to ask questions. Apart from the speeches which they have made, we have also given you the briefing in the dockets which you have, And I believe our colleagues have also taken down your email addresses, and they will be emailing the entire docket, including other important features of what the club as well as the association has in store for you. That has been emailed, will be emailed rather. The microphone please for that gentleman. We would appreciate if you can identify yourself also.
My name is Callistus from Assam, Arizona. Mali Cricket Club is celebrating 150 years of existence. Can you tell us, going back in history, have there been any cricketers who really made the grade for the Sri Lanka team or Ceylon team? Can you name somebody?
As recent, Lakshman Sadakan played for us about 5 years ago before he joined CCC.
Yeah, how did he enroll at Malay CC?
I think soon after left school he joined our club. Then from here, after performing, he was taken over by CCC.
What kind of facilities do you all offer the cricketers? What is it? The kind of facilities that you have for cricketers?
Yeah.
Can you match other clubs in facilities and all that?
Yes, we do, because we have gyms, except for the swimming pool, we have all other facilities have been provided by us. Even we pay them reasonable sum when they request us.
Samakan is the present, but what about the past? I mean, have there been any players who made the
Yes, past, before time of the Ceylon, we had AC Ahmed, who was captain Sri Lanka, the first Sri Lankan captain, Ceylon team, yeah.
What is your present membership like overall?
We have about 780.
That was some very good questions which you asked. We appreciate that as well. And any more for questions which you'd like to ask? Anyway, we are going to have a little bit of a social now. So on a one-to-one basis, you can basically, if you like to ask questions there as well, you could do so. But still, the forum is open for you. For the next 2-3 minutes, we can take in more questions. Once again, gentlemen, before we wind up, we would like to call Mr. Ridwan Karim, who is the General Secretary of the Sri Lanka Malay Association, for his vote of thanks.
Thank you, Vice President Hussein Jaya, President of Sri Lanka Malay Association, President of Colombo Malay Cricket Club, Club Captain, Colombo Malay Cricket Club, Secretary, Colombo Malay Cricket Club, committee members, and our dear distinguished invitees. On behalf of SLMA and CMCC, we would like to extend our sincere gratitude to all the invitees who are present here today for our press briefing, for our centenary and our 150-year celebration. We thank the media institutions, media personnel, crew, and also the staff members and the freelance media members who have graciously accepted our invitation and attended today's event. We are overwhelmed by the good turnout, and we thank you again for your support. අපගේ ආරාධනාව කරුණාවෙන් පිළිගන්න අද දින උත්සවයේ සහභාගී වූ මාධ්‍ය ආයතන, මාධ්‍ය වේදී සහ කාර්ය මණ්ඩල සමාජිකයන්, නිදහස් සේවක සමාජිකයන්ට අපි ස්තුතිවන්ත වෙමු. We would also like to thank the committee members of Colombo Malay Cricket Club and Sri Lanka Malay Association for assisting in organizing this press conference. The Malays of Sri Lanka arrived to this beautiful island with the Dutch and the British during their rule, and since then we Malays called Sri Lanka home. The Colombo Malay Cricket Club and the Sri Lanka Malay Association, founded back in 1872 and 1922 respectively, have been pillars of our Malay community. Us Sri Lankan Malays have always been a loyal ethnicity to their motherland, supporting the country through good and challenging times. ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ මිලේ ජාතිකයන් ලන්දේසින් සහ බ්‍රිතාන්‍යයන් සමග ඔහුගේ පාලන සමයේදී මෙම සුන්දර දිවයිනට පැමිණ අතර එතැන් සිට ශ්‍රී ලංකාව ඔවුන්ගේ නිවස ලෙස හැඳින්වුවා. පිළිවෙලින් 1872 සහ 1922 දී පිහිටුවන ලද කොළඹ මලේ ක්‍රිකට් ක්ලබ් සහ ශ්‍රී ලංකා මලේ ඇසෝසියේෂන් අපගේ ප්‍රජාවේ කුළුණ වී ඇත. ශ්‍රී ලාංකික මලේ ජාතිකයන් වන අප සමවෙතම තම මාතෘ භූමියට පක්ෂපාතීව ජනවාණිකයක් වී යහපත් සහ අභියෝගාත්මක කාල සීමාවන් තුළ රට වෙනුවෙන් සහයෝගය ලබා දී ඇත. Further, as you may have witnessed, the year 2022 is an important year as we mark a milestone in our clubs and association. To commemorate, Colombo Malay Cricket Club and Sri Lanka Malay Association have lined up a series of events in terms of culture, memorial, sports, social and charity events. All our distinguished invitees have been given a media docket that contains our commemoration plans for the year, and we also will be sharing a digital form of our information that contains vital information of our club and association. Should you need any further information, please reach out to anyone from the head table at any given time. Our contact details will be included in your media dockets. අපගේ සියලුම ආරාධිතයන්ට අප වසරේ සැලසුම් සැලැස්ම අඩංගු මාධ්‍ය ලේඛනයක් ලබා දී ඇති අතර අපි අපගේ සංගමයේ තොරතුරු අඩංගු ඩිජිටල් ෆ්ලිප් පොතක්ද ලබා දී ඇත. We sincerely request you to be part of our commemoration year, covering our events, our stories, our moments that we have planned to promote nothing but peace, love amongst us Malays and all Sri Lankans. Malay saha සියලුම ශ්‍රී ලාංකිකයන් අතර සාමය ආදරය ප්‍රවර්ධනය කිරීම සඳහා අපි සැලසුම් කර ඇති අපගේ උත්සව සහ අවස්ථාවලට ඔබ සහභාගී වී ආවරණය කරනමින් අප සමූහ වර්ෂයේ කොටසක් වන ලෙස ඔබ සියල්ලන්ගේම අපි කාලෙට වෙලමු. As we conclude the briefing, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to invite you all to join us down at our clubhouse for some refreshments and fellowship. Thank you again and have a pleasant evening. Subha Sandawa, Selamat Sore. Thank you.